Welcome back. Now we're going to look at the networking theorem. This is a theorem that connects the collapse sequences of A, 2A plus 1, 2 into 2A plus 1 plus 1, which is 4A plus 3. Let Ni, Mi and Li denote the subsequence of odd numbers in the collapse sequences of A, 2A plus 1 and 4A plus 3. Okay? By the odd numbers theorem which we saw previously, we know that the collapse sequence of A will reach a jump, let's say nr. Okay, there is some integer r where nr is a jump. Then we know that the next number nr plus 1 is 3nr plus 1 divided by 2 raised to k, such that k is greater than 1. Right? Here we know at a jump that the collapse sequence will reduce, right? And this is at least divisible by 4. That's good enough, but the interesting part here is mr plus 1, that is the collapse sequence of 2a plus 1, right? This is connected to nr this way, okay? So, mr plus 1 is this 2 raised to k times this nr plus 1 plus 1, okay? So, we can get it that way. And also this means that this is the jump, okay? From the jump of nr plus 1, we have got a jump for the sequence of 2a plus 1. That means mr plus 2, that is the next term in the 2a plus 1 sequence, the next odd term is going to be 3mr plus 1 divided by 2 raised to j for some j greater than 1. Now what happens is lr plus 2, that is the collapse sequence of 4a plus 3 is now connected this way, okay? Then lr plus 2 is 2 raised to j mr plus 2 plus 1, and also this is a jump, okay? And then what happens is for the rest of the terms, before the jump, the mi is just 2ni plus 1 and li is 2mi plus 1, okay? This is till the jump, this is what is happening. Okay, so till this one, it reaches a jump, mi is going to be 2ni plus 1, this is nr is a jump, right? Till there it is 2ni plus 1, and m reaches a jump, mi reaches a jump at the collapse sequence of 2a plus 1 reaches a jump at r plus 1, so that's why li is 2mi plus 1 till there. Then, okay. Now what happens, k is equal to 2, this k is 2. If this k is 2, then the collapse sequences of a and 2a plus 1 will merge. If k is greater than 2, then the collapse sequence of 2a plus 1 and 4a plus 3 is going to merge. So this is the networking theorem. We're not going to go into the proof of this theorem because it's there in the references. But let's look at an example. Look at an example. So we are going to look at the case when a is 1. So n0 is 1, then m0 is 2 into 1 plus 1, 3, then L0 is 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 7. So A, 2A plus 1 and 2A, 2 into 3 plus 1. This is what this is, okay? But 1 is a jump, right? 1 is a jump, it is 4 into 0 plus 1, is a jump from 0. So the next number is going to be like 3 into 1 plus 1 by 4, that is also equal to 1. And by that theorem, by the networking theorem, the next term in mi is going to be 4 into 1 plus 1 is 5, okay? Okay, and then because this is a jump, here we are going to be dividing by something greater than true. So this 3 into 5 plus 1 by 16 is 1. And by the networking theorem, this will be 16 into 1 plus 1 is 17. So you see the jumps have propagated 1, 5 and 17. These are all jumps. And everywhere else it is 2 into the previous one plus 1, okay? So this is 2 into 3 plus 1, this is 2 into 5 plus 1 equal to 11, like that. Okay, and now k was 2 here, right? 2 squared. That's why these two sequences will merge, okay? That's how it goes. Now we can look at another example. Here we have a is 15, 2a plus 1 is 31, and 2 into 31 plus 1 is 63. Now you see this takes a while to reach a jump. 53 is a jump, right? So the next term is 3 into 53 plus 1 by 32 is 5. So by the networking theorem, this term will be 5 into 32 plus 1, which is 161. Since this is a jump, the next number here will be like this. 3 into 161 by 4 is 121. And by the theorem, we have 4 into 121 plus 1 is 485. Okay. Now, and all the other terms are just 2 into, say, mi is 2 into ni plus 1. 47 is 2 into 23 plus 1. 107 is 2 into 53 plus 1. 215 is 2 into 107 plus 1. And this is 2 into 161 plus 1. So, this is the example of the networking theorem. In this theorem, in the next video, we'll show how to use this theorem to show the Collatz conjecture is false. Thank you for watching. Stay with me. Enjoy. See you in the next video.